Hey guys, Cavion Sapio here with another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the Fujicolor Superia 400. In film photography, the color of the canister indicates what type of tones our photos are going to have. So, the green on this Fujicolor Superia 400 means that natural tones will be prominent in our shots. This means anytime that we take photos of nature, of someone's front lawn, of a patch of grass in the park, those greens are really going to pop out and be more prominent in all of those photos. The great part about Fujicolor Superia 400 is that it's a universal film stock. You can shoot nature, you can shoot street photography, you can do amazing landscape and portrait shots, and it's even a good film for when you're shooting at night without any extra lighting from a flash. As long as you have the lighting right for your subject when you're shooting, it will come out amazingly. One thing that makes Fujicolor Superia 400 so awesome is its ease of accessibility. You can find it at your local CVS, Walgreens, Duane Reade, or Rite Aid, and it comes in a 3-pack, so you get a nice little bundle. To top it all off, it's not that expensive, about $15 to $20 for a 3-pack of Fujicolor Superia 400 at one of those local pharmacies, which means in case you're out shooting and you're just in need of another roll or two, you can pick it up easily without having to go out of your way to find a specific store that sells film. In the short time that I've been doing film photography, just over a year, I have come to really love this film. My final thoughts on this film is it's definitely a contender. Definitely one that I would always have on hand in case I need to shoot at any point in time and I want to get those natural tones, or I've done this before, in case I'm out of film, I could just go to that local CVS and pick it up with no problems, especially if I'm traveling in another city where I'm not really sure where the nearest camera store is. So yeah, all in all, I would definitely recommend this film stock to any beginning film photographer on their analog journey. It's definitely a staple in my book, and considering the Fujifilm Pro H is no longer in production, if you wanted to use any sort of Fujifilm type of film stock, this is the one to start with. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. All of my links to my Patreon and my prints and my Instagram will be down below. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.